Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So what I'm going to show you to do today is we're going to change the charging port on this 1000 watt E-Racer. This again is our American model, not the Canadian version. So just keep that note that if you start working on it and it looks a little different from yours. So I'm going to go ahead, get my camera in place and get the tools we need and we'll get started. Okay, so first thing you want to do is pop off the seat. Just a little tab underneath right here, just pop it off. This tab, by the way. So you pop it off and go your way. Now, the charging port is on the right-hand side, right at the back. It is right here. But before we take that off, what we're going to do is we're going to follow that wire up. And that wire comes all the way up through the back. It's gonna have a black plug on it with a red and black wire. And that's gonna plug into a black and orange wire. So we're just gonna disconnect that. Then we're gonna come back down here to the side. And get a look at it. Oh goodness. Our charging port right here. I'm gonna try to straighten it. So we know we got our wire disconnected, so we can pull it all the way back down and like this. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna get a set of channel locks. Work really good for this. And there's a little nut on the back. I'm pretty sure it's a 17 mil. If you do wanna use a wrench, you can. But usually just a set of pliers, you can literally loosen it off just a little tiny bit, and then it unscrews like that. You just wiggle it back and forth, and it'll pop out. And that's it. Now when you get the new one, it'll probably be wrapped around like that. You'll get it in an envelope, it'll have this little nut and washer with it. And all you gotta do is, most times I'm gonna tell you, it doesn't come with this rubber cap. So remember to take this rubber cap and take it off of the original and put it back on this one. If you're missing the rubber cap, it's not a huge deal, but it is kind of nice to have it protected. So now, put it back up into your hole. You can just slide it through that little thing right there. And then we can bring our washer on first, put it on, put our nut on the back. Just like that. And then we'll give it a tighten on this side. Just like that. So it just stays nice and tight. Like that. And then we can pass it back up through the front here. And we'll go back up right here. And you'll feel us coming up here with it. And we'll go back underneath this little bar here. Just like that, and then we'll plug it right back into our orange and black wire. Just like that, and that's it. And then put it back down, and there you go, guys. And then all we have to do is put the seat back on, and that is how you change the, the charging port on the 1000 watt ATV. So like and subscribe, and hope to see you guys in the next video.